Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to use paid traffic, okay, to run your offers and make money online. All right. Now, in my previous video, I made mention of free traffic method, okay, because I just recorded that video and I'm recording this one also. So I talked about free traffic methods, some of the best traffic strategies and best traffic methods you can use to run offers online, okay, to make money online. All right, because you're making money when you run offers, okay, when you're doing CPA, cost per acquisition, or cost per action, okay, making people take a particular action. That way you are making money. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use paid traffic, okay, to make money online. All right, giving you guys some of my experiences, giving you guys some of the advice to help you guys succeed online. So if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods, and I document my journey on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to smash the red subscribe button, click the little bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come up with any new videos on this channel, so that you don't miss out on anything. And if by chance, if by any way you like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot. Share with your friends, okay? And drop me a comment in the comment section below. If there's any way I should have made this better, let me know that in the comment section below. The comment is like a forum for us to interact, so let's get to know one another in the comments. All right, so with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Paid traffic is actually very cool, okay, and a lot of people tend to run away from paid traffic because they don't want to spend money, because it's more of like spending money to make money. That is how it basically works, okay? Spend money, you make money. I like that. Spend money to make money, okay? That's what paid traffic is all about. And another good thing with paid traffic is that when you're spending money and you're not making any money, you won't be happy, right? But if you know how to run paid traffic the right way, okay, you can actually optimize your ads, okay, for more conversions. Okay, if you really know what you're doing, and you can do it is recommended that you take a course or you go through mentorships. Let somebody teach you how to run paid ads, somebody who have done it, somebody who knows how it works, so they can guide you on what and what not to do. All right, especially split testing, especially running multiple ad sets and all that stuff. Okay, you need somebody to guide you on those things. You don't want to go and be spending money and be losing money, all right, because you don't know what you're doing. So it is recommended you start doing something you know. Okay, so paid traffic can get you a lot of sales, paid traffic can get you a lot of conversions, all right, and it's also cool for long-term growth, all right, because paid traffic is actually scalable. You can scale it, unlike free traffic methods that you cannot scale. But with paid traffic, you can scale it, okay, you can continue to scale it and make more sales, okay, because when it comes to paid free traffic, there's less you can do, because you can't sit down all day hustling, talking to people. You can't sit down there all day. But with paid traffic, you can set up a particular campaign. As long as you know what you're doing, you can set that up and go away, okay, go and be doing other things, then come back later to it and check out the metrics, check out the analytics, what is doing, what is happening there. Maybe you can tweak a thing or two, you can optimize it, okay, for more conversions. Depending on how you know how to run your paid ads, okay, you can come back to it later. But the cool part is that you can just set it up. As long as you know what you're doing, you can set it up, go out or go and be doing something else and come back to it later. Unlike free traffic, you have to sit down there and hustle, okay? You have to sit down there all day, building that relationship, providing value all day, all right? But with paid traffic, you can just set it up and go away. That's basically how it works, all right? And what I recommend is you take a course for paid traffic. Now, another cool thing about paid traffic is that if you are losing money, it is not good. You won't be happy. But if you're breaking even, okay, you know that's something you need to tweak something to start making a profit. So paid traffic is awesome because you can actually set it up, leave it there while it's running, and you can go and do something else, all right, which a lot of people don't want to spend their money. Because if you're spending money to make money, it is cool, all right, because you know what you're doing. Even if you're breaking even, it's also really cool. Then with a little optimization, a little tweak of your ad, you can start making a profit, okay, as long as your offer is good, as long as your landing page is set up correctly, as long as your ad sets are set up correctly, you're looking at the metrics. And because sometimes you have to turn on some ads, you have to turn off some ads, and all those cool stuff, okay. So you have to have the right guidance, okay, and you have to have the right information to run paid ads. Okay, if you don't know how to do paid ads, but if you know how to do paid ads, it is extremely profitable. Okay, because you can use that to get a lot of engagement, you can use that to get a lot of traffic to your offers. Okay, and you don't have to sit down there all day running it. So that is basically how paid traffic works. And some of the cool platforms I recommend for paid traffic, okay, is Facebook ads, which is my number one recommended one, and number two is Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest and Facebook ads. Maybe with time I'll start going into Google ads, because Google ads is also very cool. Okay, I'm learning a thing or two about Google ads currently, and I'll be sharing that with you guys shortly. Maybe as I start running some campaigns, I'll start sharing that with you guys on this channel. Okay, exclusive to you guys on this channel. Some of the things I'm learning along the line, and some of the things that I am running when it comes to Google ads. Okay, Google ads is extremely awesome. Google ads is extremely awesome according to some of my mentors and some of the people who are doing it currently. Okay, so, and I can't wait to test that out. Which Facebook ads is also cool. I enjoy it a lot. It is something I've been doing for a while, and I know how to tweak ads, optimize ads a lot using Facebook. So paid traffic is a cool way, okay, to promote offers and to make conversions, or to get conversions over and over again, if you really know what you are doing. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find any value in this, be sure to put it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Like this video, share it with your friends to give value to them, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and tick the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I come up with any other new videos. Okay, so until next time guys, stay strong. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye bye.